I honestly don't know when we ended up collecting this many fitted hats, but in today's video, let's talk about my fall-winter fitted rotation. The reality is you can wear any fitted of any color, any time of the year. It really doesn't matter, but my personal preference is to coordinate my fitteds according to the season that we're in. These are the fitteds I'm going to be rocking the most this fall and winter season because of the material, color, or specific reason behind it. Now with that said, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 fitteds that we're going to be rotating heavily this fall and winter, so let's talk about them. The first three in my lineup are honestly a no-brainer. They're corduroy fitteds. Corduroy is the perfect material to wear in the fall and winter season. Now you can rock corduroy pants, and I personally do, but a lot of people out there haven't worn them since kindergarten. So a corduroy fitted is a no-brainer and an easy way to incorporate that material into the fall and winter season. Now the Cubs and the Jays one here are probably going to be rocked closer to the holiday season. Both of these are from Hat Club, and the gold accents are going to be perfect to get into that holiday spirit. Now this one is special to me because it's my only in-store pickup from Hat Club while I was visiting their NoHo store. It's not a full corduroy fitted like the other two, and it has a nice pop of color in the Mets logo. Now this one here might not be everybody's favorite fitted because of the color combination, but it really stood out to me. Now the base layers of this fitted definitely have fall tones with the brown colors, but there's a nice way to add a pop of color in there with the blue and orange from the Mets logo. Now the next two are my Fear of God fitteds. Now these two are perfect because they're just simple fitteds that I can toss on. There's no side logos or side patches, just simple green underbrims and solid colors all the way around the fitted. A brown fitted for fall and winter, pretty self-explanatory. The black one gets to wear all year round, and I should have definitely doubled up on this one. Honestly, even though they're simple fitteds, you can't go wrong with a nice classic green underbrim, so that's a nice little pop of color. These ones here are just super simple and easy to coordinate with a lot of outfits, so definitely will get a lot of wear this season. Now this one might seem super bright, but it's honestly perfect for the fall season. Now this one here was from Hat Club's Thanksgiving collection last year, and we also have that turkey pin on there that's perfect for Thanksgiving vibes. Now hear me out. This one is super bright, and I get that, but the reality is I'm going to be toning down my outfits or playing into the aesthetic. This one here is definitely going to get a lot of wear when I pull out the Realtree camo pants. It's going to be a perfect fit in my opinion. Now these two play into the fall tones a bit with the beige and the dark green. This one here was the first ever fitted I got seeded from Hat Club, and I truly appreciate them for that. It's been a long-standing partnership since then, so this one has a special place in my heart. Now this is just another example of one of those fitteds that add a little bit of brightness and color to your outfit, but still stay towards the neutral fall tones. Beige fitted with a cream dome, but you have nice pastel colors to just add a little bit of brightness to your outfit. And of course, we got the icy blue underbrim to remind us how cold it's actually going to get this season. Now I love my two-tone fitteds, and this one is still monochromatic because it plays into the same color scheme. And this one here is from the horror pack from Hat Club. Now since this was part of the horror pack, this definitely got some wear on Halloween. That's a must for the horror pack fitteds. Now this one here also gets worn during multiple seasons, but since we have darker tones across the fitted, I think it works great for fall too. Keeping that two-tone trend going, we have two more to add to the rotation. Now this one here is a personal favorite of mine. It's from the Hat Club Lightning Pack, and as you guys know, this is one of my top contenders for fitted of the year. Now even though this might look like a very simple fitted, the gold details really help it stand out and pop when it comes to adding it to your outfit. The cream dome adds to that vintage aesthetic, and it plays into a lot of outfits I tend to wear. And sometimes you want to switch things up from that Kelly green and just go for a nice gray underbrim. Now I wish I can remember the name of this collection, but just pay attention to the details in this fitted. Hat Club honestly killed it. Of course, we got a nice winter wonderland aesthetic with the side patch over here, and on the back we even have that frosty vibe going on. And as you can see in this close-up, we even have little snowflakes across the dome. And of course, adding to the chilly vibes, we got that icy blue underbrim. This one definitely gives me Frosty the Snowman vibes, and when that snow comes out, best believe I'll be rocking this fitted. Now, even though from a distance this looks like a white and black two-tone, when you get close up, you can see it definitely plays into that winter aesthetic, which is why this one is going to be worn in the rotation this year. Now, this is the last fitted in the rotation, and it's not because it's fall or winter season related, it's NBA season related. We got the Hardwood Classic colorway for the Toronto Raptors, and of course, the Toronto Blue Jays logo across the fitted. So I get to rep both teams in one fitted, and it's perfect for me. Now this one here is definitely going to get some wear at a home game, and of course we're going to rock it regardless of how good or bad the Raps are doing this season. The underbrim even plays into the Raptors colorway, and of course we got the nice little Jurassic pin over here, repping Jurassic Park everywhere we go. And this is the perfect fitted to end off on because honestly, like I said at the start of the video, Doesn't matter what colorway you wear, when you wear it, wear whatever fitted you want. That's why I rock this one here. And that's it for the fall winter lineup. Before ending this video off, I do have to shout out Talks with TJ because she's the one who actually inspired this video. She did a fall and winter fitted rotation video, and after seeing hers, I realized I should share mine with y'all too. So shout out to TJ for inspiring today's video, and let me know down in the comment section below what you guys thought about my rotation. Now let me know down in the comment section below what's in your fall and winter lineup, and as always guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.